Okay, IT, we are going to learn about something called mail merge. Don't worry, it's not that bad. You already have your invitation and you have identified where you want to put the personalized pieces of information. You know where you want the names and address to go. In addition, you already have the information about your friends stored in a database. You have their name information. It's stored under title and name. Instead of using the field name, we could have expanded it into first name and surname. We already have their address stored in the field name street, town, and country. But we could have used address line 1 and address line 2. Address line 1 means the information that displayed on the first line of the address would be stored in address line 1. So, we have all the information necessary already stored in your database. But how do we get that information into your invitation? The same can be applied to a letter. How do we get those personalized pieces of data into a letter? Well, as we said, we're using mail merge. It's not that bad. There are only 4 easy steps. Step 1. Your data source. Your data source is where the data is stored. It can be stored in Access as a database or stored in Excel as a spreadsheet. We have already created a database with your friend's information. So we'll be using the Access database as our data store. Step 2. The letter. Ensure that you have the letter typed, or in our case, the invitation. Step 3. Merge fields. We need to insert the merge fields. That means we have to identify where in the letter or the invitation we want the personalized information to go. We do this by using the database, or this case, data source. In a database, the titles in the table are called field names. Each one of those field names can be inserted into your letter. When they are inserted, they are called merge fields. These merge fields can be inserted anywhere into the letter. However, you have to click first, then insert. Step 4. Merging the letters. After you identify where to put the data, all of the letters will be automatically generated. Or, in our case, all of the invitations and the envelopes would be automatically generated. See? So, it wasn't that hard.